Happy first week of March and another week of NQ scalping. So Monday starts pretty unfortunate with me practically blowing up my new eval account on Lucid. So basically what you're seeing here is the result of my Monday crash out, and I just want to denote that it was obviously consolidating and also price action was choppy as fuck. So I don't know why I didn't stop and just think about it and wait, but you live to learn another day. So on Tuesday, it was push day at the gym, so I did my lift before 4 p.m. and I also had a big snack because I gotta get my macros. Okay, so before I opened any positions, I had to acquire my high time frame targets, and that ended up being these two lows on the 1 hour. I took 4 trades today before locking myself out, and it was a loss win loss type of deal. So on my first sell, I got stopped out in 42 seconds. My mistake was that I didn't wait for the 1 minute to confirm bearish control, and that's basically it. Now onto my second entry, I took a dub, 200 plus PNL. Here we have bearish structure, a break in price action, and a fair value gap. And so I opened a sell position using 4 micros, and I aimed for 3R because my 30-second RSI started showing a slowdown of momentum. Alright, so I won't be showing my third trade because I simply forgot to change the stop loss, and when I had opened my sell, I got stopped out immediately. So it's only been 37 minutes since I've been trading today, and after this last trade, which was my 4th trade, I was able to lock out my account. And so around 4:30, I noticed that the retracement phase was losing its momentum. So I had another chance for my A+ setup to appear. And obviously, because I haven't ended this video, it did appear. Alright, so I concluded that price was going to continue decreasing. And I opened my position preemptively, but with that, price was able to break structure and also create a fair value gap. So looking at this, you can see that my trade for this 400 plus profit was open for less than 3 minutes. And so after this trade closed, I turned on the personal lockout until 4 p.m. and ended my day $500 plus in profit. Alright, today was Wednesday. I just had got back from school and I noticed that when I looked at the charts around 4:30, the market was kind of confusing and my bias was not really matching up. Okay, so by the time I started recording my trades, I definitely took a couple losses and I was not in the right mindset. I was already down $373. I wasn't sticking to my strategy and I was definitely tilted. So after this trade, which I closed for $276, I was closer to break even. And so I looked at my performance so far and I noticed that I was 1 for 3. In this next trade, I looked towards my bias, which was bullish, and I took a buy position accordingly. With this trade, when I closed it, I was able to go above break even and I was in just a little bit of profit. So I was in the green for the day. Alright, so I didn't record the rest of my day because it was like hella choppy. On my first trade on Thursday, I took a loss when I got waked out by the market, just a smidge, but I knew my bias was correct. Right after this, I noticed that the market broke structure, breaking a previous high and also leaving a fair value gap. And so I opened the buy position using 50 micros. I set my take profit at the hourly highs. This was a quick trade with price hitting my take profit within 10 minutes. After this trade, my daily profit goal was met, and so my account lockout was activated. That's it for this week of trading, and I'm going to continue this series next week.